Collision. Collision generally means one particle striking against another particle, but in certain cases, two particles not even touch each other may also said to be colloid. During collision, three things are observed. It is a large force acting on a particle for a short interval of time. Motion of particle is changed. The total momentum of particle is conserved. Types of collisions: elastic collision, inelastic collision, head-on collision, oblique collision. Elastic collision: a collision in which the kinetic energy of the colliding body remains constant before and after collision. Inelastic collision: a collision in which the kinetic energy of the colliding bodies does not remain constant before and after collision. Head-on collision: a collision in which the kinetic energy of the velocities of the colliding bodies lie on the same line after collision. Oblique collision: a collision in which the kinetic energy of the velocities of the colliding bodies does not lie on the same line after collision. Theory of head-on collisions: before collision, during collision, after collision. Let A and B are two spheres of masses m1 and m2 moving with velocities v1 and v2, velocities after collision. By the law of conservation of linear momentum, total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. m1 u1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 u2. m1 into u1 minus v1 is equal to m2 into u2 minus v2. Equation 1. By the law of conservation of energy, 1 by 2 m1 u1 square plus 1 by 2 m2 v2 square is equal to 1 by 2 m1 v1 square plus 1 by 2 m2 u2 square. m1 into u1 square minus v1 square is equal to m2 into u2 square minus v2 square. Equation 2.